Let's unbox the MSI VENTUS 2X RTX 4070 and have a look at its features. Let's dig in. Take the essentials. Okay. Nice padding to protect the GPU during shipping. Oh, and take a look at that. There is an accessory here, power cable adapter that converts two 8-pin connections to one 16-pin connection. There are no more accessories here, just the quick start guide and some paperwork. EU regulatory notices. That is that. There's a piece of tape here. And here it is. The MSI VENTUS 2X. Indeed, it is quite compact. There's quite a lot of film covering the GPU, but surprisingly, no film on the logos over here. Usually you have to remove some film off of the fans. Not the case with this one. Let's start peeling. Backplate first. Matte black. And indeed, that is metal. The design is nice and simple. Plastic shroud, silver and black mix. In terms of display connectivity, we get one HDMI 2.1 and 3 DisplayPort 2.1b. Nice. In terms of size, this GPU is just under 240 millimeters long. That's 239, I think. And in terms of heights, that's 130 millimeters. Let's take a look at the PCIe slot. Comes with a new pattern. There we go. The cooler takes up about 2.5 slots. Not big at all, compared to some of the other models we've seen so far out of the RTX 40 and 50 series. Power is delivered via a single 16-pin connector located at the top, and it has a cutout here, so it's not sitting flush with the edge of the GPU. The GPU uses quite a compact PCB that ends right there. You can actually see the edge. So the PCB is really small. Take a look at that. They could have made a card this small. So technically a one-fan RTX 5070 is possible to make, even without additional costs, because the PCB, the standard PCB is already pretty small, which enabled MSI to create this nice cutout on the backplate for the air to pass through. This increases cooling capability of the heatsink. Speaking of the heatsink, it looks to be quite nice. I can spot 1, 2, 3, 4 heat pipes in there. Take a look at that. 4 heat pipes running through this side of the heatsink and through this side as well. The heat plate is connected to the memory modules as well as the GPU. It's always nice to have active memory cooling. There is a small heatsink on top of those components right there. That's good to see on such a budget-friendly GPU. And from this side, there's nothing special, just the MSI logo on the plastic shroud. I must say that this GPU looks quite good. Yes, I like it. The previous generation of VENTUS 2X MSI models was pretty good as well. I had the RTX 4070 Super, and this RTX 5070 is just a continuation of what works. And here is what it looks like inside of the PC. I think it looks quite nice. No RGB LEDs or anything, nice and simple. And the graphics card is actually shorter than the standard ATX motherboard. Take a look at that. It's just a little bit shorter. So this thing is extremely compact for a modern GPU, especially when you consider that this GPU can do 4K gaming. Yeah. Also, no GPU support stand required, so that thing is not necessary. The VENTUS 2X is nice and light. No need to worry about the GPU warping or bending or any additional stress on the PCIe slot. It is all good. If you want to see this graphics card tested at various resolutions in the latest games, then I'll be testing that on my main channel, link in the description below. That will include 4K, 1440p, as well as ultra-wide 3440 by 1440p. If you enjoyed this video, then don't forget to reward my work with a like. That helps out a lot. And subscribe for more if you haven't already. It was I, Vadim. Until next time.